In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, social media content, or any other project, the ability to loop a video seamlessly can add a professional touch to your work. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To get started, open up your favorite web browser and go to the Canva website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by Canva's intuitive and well-organized dashboard. This is your creative space where you can design and customize your projects. In the center of this dashboard, you'll want to hover your mouse down towards the middle where you'll see various design options. Click on the Video option to specifically focus on creating a video project. This will help streamline our workflow as we move forward. Now, let's create a new video canvas by selecting the Video/Landscape format. This setup is ideal for most standard video projects, providing you with a widescreen aspect ratio to work with. Once your new project opens, direct your attention to the left side menu panel, where you'll find various tools and options to enhance your work. Look for the Uploads section on this left sidebar. Click on it to bring up options that allow you to add media files to your project. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Videos tab. This tab enables you to either upload a pre-recorded video from your device or even record a new video directly through Canva using your webcam. Choose the option that best suits your needs and upload the video you plan to loop. Once your video is uploaded, it will appear in your Uploads section. Simply click on the video and drag it onto your canvas. Position it as desired within your project layout. Next, click on the video you just placed on the canvas. You'll notice a floating toolbar at the top of your canvas. Make sure to click the Edit button located at the leftmost part of this toolbar. This opens up a range of editing options that Canva provides to modify your video to fit your creative vision. Hover down towards the bottom of the editing options until you see the Play on Repeat or Loop toggle. Activating this feature will enable the video to play continuously without stopping, creating a seamless looping effect. This is perfect for videos used in presentations or social media pages where you want to maintain viewers' attention without interruptions. And there you have it. You've successfully looped a video in Canva. This technique can be incredibly valuable for making your video content more dynamic and engaging. Experiment with different layouts and designs to find the perfect fit for your project. Thank you for watching, and happy creating with Canva.